Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. Today's video, I'm just showing you guys my wash day routine. As you can see, my hair literally looks a hot mess. It has all of this buildup from putting edge control in my hair for the past 2 weeks. So this is pretty much what I do every 2 weeks to just get all of that mess out of my hair. So time to start this process that literally takes like a whole day. I'm just gonna start by rinsing out my hair. Just wanna wet it because honestly, my hair does not work if it's not wet. And I'm using this bomb shampoo. It's from Mielle Organics and it is pomegranate and honey moisturizing and detangling shampoo. And sis, here is the tea. It is black owned, 1, and 2, in the directions it says to use a generous amount. And I was just touched because I just am so used to brands saying use a dime size amount and it not going anywhere. Like a dime size amount where? For what? My edges? Like I never understood that. Mielle Organics understands that a dime size amount isn't gonna do anything, okay? So yeah, I'm just putting that shampoo everywhere. Honestly, I'm just trying to get all that edge control out. So I'm really focusing it on not my edges, but just everywhere where you would put the product, if you know what I mean. Now I'm just rinsing my hair out, getting all that shampoo out of my hair. And I usually do this step twice. So I'll shampoo it, rinse, and then move on. This next product that I'm using is also from Mielle Organics. It is their deep conditioner. Honestly, I hope you guys get it by now. They are bomb, okay? Like, I just need you guys to understand the severity of how bomb Mielle Organics is. Like, literally, while this was in my hair, it just felt so refreshing and minty, and I just really felt like it was doing something, you know? So what you see me doing now is I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and detangling my hair, and then the section that I'm detangling, I'm twisting it. I'm just twisting it to get it out of the way, just so that I know I detangled it already. I'm not parting it any type of way. I'm not doing anything special. I'm simply detangling the hair with the deep conditioner in my hair. No lie, you guys, I swear the detangling part is what takes the longest. And my hair's not even that tangled, but as you can see, I'm struggling. I'm tender-headed on top of that, so this part is not fun for me at all. I just really feel like it'd be the most tender-headed people who want to be the most slayed. Comment if you agree. This is how much hair is on the comb after detangling the first few sections. Because my hair is so thick and sometimes the product doesn't travel all the way through, I'm taking more of the deep conditioner and applying it to each section right before I detangle it. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is kind of like wasteful. I could have just not put the deep conditioner in all of my hair and only did it as I was sectioning, I guess, but like, I don't know, sometimes I overdo it. So you don't have to put that much. Honestly, I use like half the jar. Yeah, you do not have to do all that. It is not that necessary. As long as it's evenly spread throughout your hair and your hair is detangled, you're fine. Now that I look like my homegirl Felicia, if you know, you know, I'm just using this extra large shower cap from the beauty supply store to cover my hair while I deep condition. Oh my gosh, I literally had shampoo, conditioner, whatever all over me. I didn't even notice. Honestly, whatever, it's realistic. And speaking of realistic, this is how much hair I usually have come out when I detangle. Honestly, I don't know if that's normal. Hopefully that's normal. I usually get a handful. Maybe it's because I wait 2 weeks to wash my hair. I don't know, but I still have a full head of hair, so I don't care either. Okay, so fast forward, I just took off the shower cap after 15 minutes of deep conditioning. Now I'm just undoing the twist and I'm kind of like sectioning my hair off a little bit so I know which parts I've done already, because it's annoying when you're like rinsing out your hair and you find a random twist. So yeah. This is what my hair is looking like once I take the twist out. I think it looks great. I think it looks beautiful. I love it. Honestly, I am really feeling this deep conditioner because my hair feels replenished, okay? This deep conditioner promises to reduce frizz and flyaways. It infuses your hair with protein and moisture, and it's made with organic ingredients. So to me, this is a win. I am feeling this product and that is the tea, okay? Now I'm just rinsing out my hair, getting the deep conditioner out, and this is what it looks like once everything is done, once it's all the way washed. Now I'm just gonna moisturize my hair just because my hair is super dry all the time. I'm using Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk. On the side, it actually says that this is an award-winning hair moisturizer and it's made with all natural ingredients and contains no harmful chemicals or preservatives, which is literally perfect for me because, like I said, my hair is always dry. So yeah. Okay, so I decided that I was going to do a ponytail today, which means I have to blow dry my hair. So I'm using Argan Oil of Morocco, and this is the extra extra penetrating oil for dry and coarse hair. I just chose to use this one because, like I keep saying over and over again, my hair is really dry. I just feel like it's really good to oil your hair before you blow dry it, and to blow dry it as little as possible. So I only really blow dry my hair maybe like twice a month. Now I'm gonna just get into the ponytail. I'm not gonna get way too descriptive about it because I already have a video up on this exact hairstyle. So if you want to watch it, the link is gonna be in the description. I'm using the same edge control I always use faithfully. This is a 24-hour edge tamer, and it's the one with the green lid, even though I have reason to believe that all of the lids are the same thing. I don't know. You guys have seen me use the purple one before, but when I went to the beauty supply store, they didn't have the purple one. They had the green one, so that's how I ended up switching. And it's literally the same. Like, it smells exactly the same. It does the exact same thing for your hair. Like, I just can't spot the difference. Like, if any of you guys know the difference, let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure they're all like the same thing. All right, you guys, that is it. That is my wash day routine. Although I'm not such a fan of wash day, I just love its results. My hair just feels so fresh and so clean. Anyways, I hope you guys really like this video. Remember to leave it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and subscribe and watch another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.